Hi everyone, welcome to my channel ICT Active Learners. Today I'm here to explain Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2022 October-November Paper 3 Web Authoring part. So in this paper we need to go through the file management first. So as they said, you need to create a folder with the name N22. So I will just create a folder on desktop with the name N22. That's it. And then I need to locate the following files in this folder. So we'll just go to my source files and I will select all of them except the other files. Yeah. So right now I have 9 items only. And if I look at this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 they are. So that's perfect. Just copy them and paste it into your folder because you will need them for later use. Now they did mention here display the content of your N22 folder, showing the folder name, all file names, extension and file size, image dimensions, and for the video the frame height and width, and then take a screenshot and paste it as evidence 2 into your evidence document. So I will just simply click here, view, and then I will click on the option called the content. So all the contents are here with the frame height and width. The name is here. So I will just take a screenshot of the folder itself with these contents, something like this. And now I will go to my evidence 2, evidence document as evidence 2, and will paste it over there. That's all. Moving forward to the next part where the web page really starts. So it says that you will create a web page for the Tawara Wildlife Trust. So you need to create in your N22 folder a web page called line.html. So I will just open Expression Web application that I have, and I will just save this one web page with the name line, and on the desktop into my folder called N22. So I have saved my web page. Now I need to do what this browser must be created using a single table and must work in all browsers. So the table must fit 100% of the browser width and have a structure as shown below. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows and 1, 2, 3 columns. So table, insert, number of rows 5, and 3 columns, 100% width, and just click on OK. Now structure it first of all. Like I will select these ones, modify and merge them, and I will call it cell A. Then merge these two and cell B. Then we have cell C, merge them, and then we have cell D, merge them as well. Then here we have E and F, we do not merge them, and then the last one is to be merged with the name G, and that is going to be E and that's going to be F. Now we need to adjust the width 30%. Just click here, right click and cell properties, and the width is going to be 30 and it should be in percentage. Apply and OK. Then it should be 70%. So specify the width they mention should be 70. Then this C should be modify cell property 70 as well, so it should be 70, applying OK. And then D they did not mention, E and F 35 and 35, so select these two, right click and then cell properties and 35 each, and G they did not mention. So each table cell is identified with a letter, some dimensions are shown, these must be set as percentage values. Do not set the height of any cell, they did not mention. So the cell content shown in the diagram must not appear on the final web page like E and this stuff. Table border must appear on the final web page. Fine. So place in cell A the image of N22 logo. So just click here and replace the text A with an image called logo. So here we have logo, and we will just type here that it's our logo, alternate text. Then in cell B the image N22 project. So just click here and then insert N22 project. So that's going to be project. Click OK. And then in cell C, a video tag to display N22 line.mp4 so that it fit the width of this cell. Display an automated text-based error if the browser does not support the video. Okay, so go to cell C right now, remove this one, and in cell C insert the video now. Insert media, and it's a mp4 file, desktop N22, and show all files. Okay, all files, and then this video, and then it should fix to the width of the cell. We will do that, and then right click and go to ActiveX control properties, and then object tag, alternate text. Okay, this video does not support your browser. That's a message you can give it to the user when he will look at the video. And then we need the image of a home in cell N22 in cell E. So in cell E, insert a picture from file, and that's called home, and that's the picture of a home. And then in cell F we will insert the image of what N22 contact. So contact us, that's it. Now next step is to place inline style sheet attributes into the HTML so that each image fit the width of the table cell and maintain the aspect ratio. So what we need to do is now we need to adjust them. So this picture, as they mentioned, it should be 70% wide. So that's good. Let's go to our web page, and then we go to the code. So here, that's the image of N22 project. So the height and width is given here. So we will just remove this one, the height and width, and even this one. So we'll just say here style, and then width, and we will just mention here 100 So this width is going to be for that specific cell. Okay, that's it. Now when you click on design, so it will fit to the width of the cell. It is done. Now moving forward to this image, go to the code, and then we mention here the width and height. We will just remove from here this width and height even. We just mention here style is equal to width, and it's going to be 100%. Exactly the same thing we are going to say here, style equal to then width, and then it's going to be 100%. 100%. Yeah, and we remove this rest of the attributes that we have it here. That's it. Now moving forward to the next point, yes, and that is about we need to add appropriate text. We already added the appropriate text. Now moving forward to have a look to the design, first of all, let me just click on save and preview in the web browser. Let's see how it look like. So preview in a web browser, let's suppose we have Internet Explorer. So this is how it look like. Right now the video is not playing here, so we need to adjust the video. How we'll do that? Just have a look here. We need to make little changes to our code so that we can see how this video will work. So in this case we need to have a look to our cell for the video code. Yeah, fine. We'll have a look first to the rest. Place in cell D the text N22 text.txt. So let me first of all get the data from here. Okay, and we will paste it into cell D. Let me just add it, and I will make this one as heading style H2. So this is going to be changed to heading style H2, and then enter in cell G the text edited by followed by your name in cell G. So let's move forward to cell G and just type here edited by, and then followed by your name, center number and candidate number. So your name, you can just simply type here your name, then your center number, and then your candidate number, and that should be in heading style H3. Just click here and change it to heading style H3, save it, and now preview one more time. Let's see how it look like. So this is how it look like right now. We have almost everything here. I think we need to fix this one as well to fix the width of the cell. So just go to the code, and we have here the picture logo. So we need to reduce whatever is written here with something called style. Style then is equal to width, and then width is going to be 100%. Yeah, just design, click on save, and now refresh your web browser to set. Yeah, now it is very much aligned properly, like everything is now clear. The only thing that we need to change is the code for the video, so we can see the video when it is played. So let's have a look at the code of the video. So it's written here, it's an object in media, so you just simply need to change it, or you can just simply say here that video, and then it's going to be width of 100%. It should cover the 100% area of that specific cell, and then we just simply say here that controls, that's it. And then we don't need to include all this path. What we need to do only to include the source of our video. So we just simply say here source, and then our source is already there, src, and the name of our video is N22 line.mp4. Okay, we just need to remove this one. Yeah, that's all. So source and src, and then it's going to be the type, it should be video, and then mp4. So that's all. And then we have a message as well, so the rest we don't need to include anything such as like this. So this message should be in the video tag, and we just need to remove the tag called object. So that's all, I guess. Just click on save, and let's go and click on preview now. The video is displayed or not. So as you can see, when you click on play, now you can see the video, it's already there. Fine. Let's move forward to the next part of this question paper. As they said, create a hyperlink from the image n22 home.png to open the web page called n22 twt.htm. So the picture home.png. So we have a picture called home. Is this the picture? Right click and just have a look to the picture properties. So this is home. Right click and add a hyperlink to it to link with the file n22tw2. That's it. Click on OK. Then create a hyperlink from the image n22 contact.png to open an email editor ready to send an email to this email address, and with the subject line project line. So simple, just go to this image, right click and hyperlink, send an email. This is the email address, and subject line is project line. That's all. Okay, let me just correct the spellings. Yeah, just click on OK. That's all. And then you need to attach the style sheet n22 style.csv to your web page. So format, new style sheet, format, and then CSS style, attach a style sheet, and the style sheet we have already on the desktop in our folder n22 style. Done. Click on save, And let's move forward to the next step. Save your web page and then take a copy of the HTML source for evidence 3. So simple is just click on the code, select this all, copy, and then paste it into your evidence document as evidence 3. So that's the code of your all web page. Go to design now and follow the next step. You need to now display your web page in a browser if necessary resize, so that all the page can be seen, all text can be easily read, the address bar is visible, and take screenshot evidence showing your web page in the web browser. Place this in your evidence document, and that's going to be your evidence 4. So save your web page and refresh the web browser here. This is how it looked like. Now you need to adjust so that it fit in a single screenshot. Yes, so we just need to adjust it so that it fits in one screenshot. So we just need to adjust it. That's all, I guess. Just take a screenshot of it and place it in your evidence document as evidence 4. Now you can adjust it like this so the contents are fully visible for the examiner. So that's all for the web page part of this question paper. Hope you have learned about how to create web page, including images, table, and adjusting their width and height according to the table cells, and inserting the image in the videos, and adjusting the style sheet and applying the style sheet to it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe the channel for more videos and updates.